Hey, what's up? So it's been a while since I actually made a video, but I was doing some thinking, and it turns out I don't think that I can actually be making videos all the time. Like, I do want to document my progress, just so one day I can look back and see just my progression with my language ability. And I think I'm at a point where I can do a lot of like texting stuff or messenger, whatever, on the computer. I can do it okay, and I'm fine, and I can keep up. And I usually don't even have to look up a lot of words too often, but it happens, and it's online and it's on text, so if I do have to, it's not a big deal. So I think I've come to a point where I really gotta just keep hammering the vocabulary, and that's not gonna make interesting videos. I've been trying to think what I could do with Sarah, my sister, but that's also another thing that's hard to do because she's at a totally different level than I am. But I figure, I guess I'll just record and just show some progress in what I'm doing with my music realm, just so that, because to be honest, I have, not been super motivated and I haven't been into it quite as often, so I figured I might as well make videos, and hopefully that keeps me motivated. And I know this doesn't properly record screens, but I'm just showing just a little bit, just to show and pushing myself to actually make my stuff. So I mean, I downloaded this new program called Studio One. I got the free one just so that I can get the hang of it, get in the flow, and see what's possible. I think it'll cost a couple $100 if I get the full version. And there's a middle tier version too that I could get also, but where I see my life going, I might need to do more, but like, I mean, you can do a lot with this free version, at least as far as how good it sounds. There's already a video of this song with just a regular recording. This one is all MIDI based, so it's not a real performance. Well, it was on my MIDI keyboard, and then you can tweak little things or whatever you want. These vocals are just stand-in, just so I know what I'm doing. But like, it's not that bad, man. So, I mean, I'll keep putting more updates with this thing, but I mean, I think this is a good way to keep myself motivated, because when I have a job like 6 days a week, it's hard to stay motivated and to keep adding things. So hopefully by putting like progress videos online, it keeps me up and at 'em. For anyone that's curious, not that anyone is currently watching my channel too much, but the kind of stuff that I write or have written, I haven't really written a whole lot since like 2015, so like 4 years ago. But you can see one album that I made just for myself, just to have it as a collection so I don't forget things. That album's on my other channel, Kalaka PP. I think it's on this one too, but you can go check it out on Kalaka PP. And then this song, Be This, is actually on this channel itself, and that's a live performance also in like 2015, maybe 2016, I don't know. But anyways, this is just a little window into what I'm doing. I had been doing this, I started re-recording it, I guess you could call it, 2 months ago, and the fact that I'm not done shows that I got really busy at work, and also I let the work unmotivate me. So putting these progress things hopefully will keep me motivated, and hopefully can just get my workflow back, when I'm in school, I can pump things out. I spend usually at least an hour every day just composing music or writing music, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I still plan to record language progress, because I really do want to get Cebuano down. I want to be able to speak it with my mom. Like, only that. That'd be a really cool thing to do one day. But it's been a year since I started learning it, and I'm just not there yet. So I think I need to really increase my input for Cebuano. I need to be hearing it a lot more. So I started trying to find like Cebuano dramas, and there's some very low quality ones on YouTube, but I asked, what am I like, I guess you could call it my language texting partners. I've asked them to show me some YouTubers, and I'll listen to that on my drive to work. So I'll get 30 minutes there, and 30 minutes back also of listening to Cebuano. I don't know, I guess we'll see. This will be a bit of a journey, but I don't know. I'm just gonna use this video as a tool for me, so if you end up watching this, hope it's not terrible, because this is really more for me at this point. So, alright, peace out.